Welcome to the Regular English Channel. Today we learn daily life English conversation using the simple present tense. Get started!
We use the simple present tense for daily habits and facts.
Example: I go to school every day.
Good morning, Emma.
Good morning, Liam.
Do you walk to school every day?
Yes, I walk to school every day.
Do you drink milk every morning?
Yes, I drink milk every morning.
Do you read books after school?
Yes, I read books every evening. Do you help your parents?
Yes, I help my parents every day.
Do you play in the park?
Yes, I play in the park on weekends. What game do you like?
I like football. Do you go shopping with your family?
Yes, I go shopping every Sunday. Which fruit do you like?
I like apples. What do you eat for lunch?
I eat rice and vegetables. Do you use a computer at school?
Yes, I use a computer every week.
Do you like drawing?
Yes, I draw beautiful pictures. Do you like singing?
Yes, I sing every day.
We love to sing together every single day.
How do you go home?
I go home by bus.
Do you do your homework every day?
Yes, I do my homework after school.
Do you read before bed?
Yes, I read a story every night. Do you water the plants?
Yes, I water the plants every morning. Do you ride your bicycle on weekends?
Yes, I ride my bicycle every Saturday. Do you like animals?
Yes, I love animals. Do you enjoy English class?
Yes, I enjoy English class very much.
We use the simple present tense for daily habits and routines.
Example: she goes to school every day.
Thank you for watching.
Please like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next lesson.